Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mohammed Adel. I'm a business entrepreneur in AUIB, American University in Iraq, Baghdad. So, I will talk about that every single day in Iraq, cafes they throw away tons of used coffee grounds and waste. At the same time, millions of plastic waste and packaging material are used once per day, and then they dump it into landfill or burn it in open air. Iraq generates over 1 million tons of solid waste annually, and plastic waste continue to increase rapidly due to the population growth and urban consumption. The problem is not just waste, it is the lack of critical infrastructure. It is the lack of coffee grounds composed in landfill and produce methane that has 25 gas times more harmful than carbon dioxide. Plastic waste remains in the environment for hundreds of years. Cafes are growing, plastic consumption is growing, environmental damage is growing, but recycle systems are weak, collection systems are very fragmented, and critical innovation is nearly absent. This is the gap that EcoBrew loop solve. So now my colleague, she will continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Jalal and I'm a business student, entrepreneurship major in AUIB, American University in Baghdad. As my colleague was saying and explaining the idea that we want to present, the real issue is that the waste is treated as garbage and this is not good for the environment. So the idea is cafes do not have structured system to separate or sell their coffee waste. Plastic waste lacks economic for organized collection, and sustainable alternatives are often important and expensive. So businesses continue using cheap plastic and dumping it and hurting the environment. Coffee grounds are rich in organic compounds and can be reused in biodegradable materials, fertilized, and sustainable composites. Plastic waste can be processed into construction materials and reusable packaging. What we see as pollution, we see as raw materials.
EcoBrew loop is a closed-up critical system built significantly for Iraqi cafe ecosystem. Here's how it works. Step 1. It will consist of 3 steps. So step 1, collection. We partner with cafes that we have to collect their waste per days, and we collect separately cafe grounds and plastic waste on estimate on maybe we make it 1 day or weekly subscription basis. So on this next step will be processing. Coffee grounds are dried and processed into 2 product systems. So first of all, organic fertilizer for agriculture. Step 2, coffee grounds are dried and processed into 2 products. First product, organic fertilizer for agriculture. Second, biodegradable compost material mixed with recycled plastic. Plastic waste is clean and repurposed into reusable cafe trays, eco breaks for low-cost constructions, and sustainable packaging materials. Step 3, return to market. We sell these eco products that we produced for cafes, construction companies, environmentally consumers. This closes the loop.
Our model is both environmental and impactful and financially sustainable. We guarantee revenue through monthly waste collection subscription from cafe, direct sales of eco product, B2B supply chain. Our raw materials cost nearly zero because they are waste. As we scale, processing costs decrease due to economics of scale. With just 100 cafes of Baghdad, we can collect over 100 tons of cafe waste annually. Phase 2, expand to Erbil and Basra. Phase 3, introduce a regional partnership. This is not just a recycling project, it is a scalable circular economy business.
EcoBrew loop reduce methane consumption. It reduce plastic pollution. It create green jobs. It support local agriculture. It lowered dependency on imported eco products. And most importantly, it builds Iraqi first cafe-centered critical waste ecosystem. We are not just asking people to change their behavior, we are redesigning the system.
Imagine walking into a cafe in Baghdad and knowing your cup was made from recycled materials. That would be so good. Yesterday's coffee waste is tomorrow fertilizer. Plastic waste becomes construction materials, not pollution. EcoBrew Loop transfers waste into opportunities. We are closing the loop, we are creating impact, we are building sustainable Iraq. Thank you so much.